Hey, it's Matt with GolfCartingTV. I'm here with my man Paul from Angry Goat Custom Carts. What's up, Paul?
How you doing, Matt? How you doing?
So we're looking at a pretty unbelievable cart. Paul, we're going to turn the camera around and you're going to tell me all about this thing.
Cool. All right, so this is my little Hooters race car. You know we've done a bunch of these little race cars, but if you know me at all, you know I'm a huge Hooters fan. So I had to do a Hooters car. I had to do a tribute to Hooters. This is my little race car. So this one is a Navitas chassis on it. We've lowered it down, same as we've done with many of the others. We've added a bunch of stuff to this one, a little bit different. Obviously all the Hooters logo and tribute stuff. We got the number 83 on the side, since that's the first year that Hooters started. We have items on the car outside of the Navitas chassis and everything. Obviously we got the Hoosier wheels and tires and stuff on there. So we've got our mod seats. We love our mods products, our mod seats, our mods steering wheel. We've got the deco mats, did a great job on the floor mat, custom floor mat for us. We've got the Bolt 73 volt, the massive beast that we use on just about all of our race builds. We're also pushing the 850 race kit on it with the 7.5 motor in it. We've got the Sound Extreme, all the Sound Extreme gear. We got 4 Sound Extreme 6.5 inch speakers. We've got the Sound Extreme sub mounted underneath, which it usually sounds better mounted under the seat.
Yeah,
it rocks. We built some custom fiberglass pods for the dash to hold more speakers up there. We've got the Sound Extreme Bluetooth connector. We've got the Sound Extreme keyless keypad entry or ignition on there. We did the rocker panels. The rocker panels are 5 inches longer, so we made them stretch to make the car look even lower.
Yeah, I like how it just a little something extra. Yeah. And those are actual Hoosier tires.
They are actual Hoosier tires.
Okay,
yes.
that's cool.
We got our Hooters flag. We got of course, our Florida Hooters tag.
Which is great.
Outside of that, we've got all sports in the windshield for us. The sport windshield and the all sports back seat supports. We took these and we cut them. A friend of ours had a great idea and showed it to us, and we used that. So we cut them and flipped them around and moved them back. So actually the seat sits back a couple inches and it sits down a couple inches, so you don't have as much gap there in the seat.
Yeah.
It's a whole lot more comfortable because you're laid back a little bit more in it.
And what do you think this thing will go, speed-wise?
This thing should probably do 60, 65 miles an hour.
That's pretty sweet. And is your plan to turn it into a race car, or do you want to keep it for a show?
I kind of just like driving it myself. Yeah. I don't really ever keep anything for me, so I'm kind of planning on keeping it and just using it to run around with, and I don't know, maybe we could set up a grudge match or two.
Yeah. So it's pretty cool. We just came from Hooters here in the Villages, so they kind of latched on to the idea, so that was pretty cool.
They loved it. It took me about a month and a half to find the right person at Hooters, and I met the GM over there, and she was absolutely great, Summer, and we met their marketing person, and her name was Robin, and they were great. They were all on board with it. They got super excited when we showed them the pictures of it. They got the corporate office involved. The corporate absolutely loved the idea, so they let us set up over there and do a photo shoot and use a couple of the girls for models, and it turned out great. We're super excited.
And you said they've got they do like car shows and things like that?
They're starting to do they're trying to get a golf cart show together over there, the Hooters in the Villages.
Okay.
On Christine Way. They're awesome. They're fairly new. They've only been open for about 6 months now, but they're great. They're rocking it over there. So they're going to start setting up a monthly car show, and maybe we'll bring this out there, let it sit out there for everybody to kind of see, hang out, take pictures with the girls and stuff.
That's cool.
But, they're really trying to push for a golf cart show. So if anybody's interested in the Villages and getting together the golf cart show, go over and see Summer in the Villages Hooters.
Awesome. And I don't think we mentioned, but Storm body on top of the Navitas chassis.
This is the Storm body. It's a MadJax Storm body on top of the Navitas chassis. Yes.
And that's a steel, the original.
Yes.
Yeah. Very cool. Well, Paul, you have done it once again. We appreciate you taking the time, and
Thank you, Matt.
good stuff, dude.
Coming out with us.
Good.